Well, hello there. Welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Zafi Nuna and I'm your special event curator. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platform, all you have to do is send us a WhatsApp message on number 059 888 9441. 059-888-9441. Do well to visit mx24.event for anything tickets, anything event, any updates on events happening around you. Don't forget to follow our social media platforms or our social media accounts across all platforms at MX24 Event Guide. Now today we are talking health and wellness fun day with True Culture, and in studio with me is Mavis Amponsa and Kobe Precious. Hi ladies.
Hi, Happy.
How are we doing?
Great. We're doing well.
Now, Health and Wellness Fun Day. Talk to us. What is it about? How did it come about?
Okay, so the Health and Wellness Fun Day is an initiative organized by True Culture Ghana. So the whole initiative is to encourage Ghanaians to exercise, live a healthy life. People go about doing a lot of things which make them very stressful. So for this event, we want Ghanaians to work well, live well, relax well, and move well. Yeah, so basically that is the Health and Wellness Fun Day.
That is quite innovative because, there's been a lot of stress. Not lately, there's been a lot of stress happening around us, or we are involved or engulfed in a lot of stress. So this is a way of taking care of yourself as well as relieving yourself of that pressure. Now, where is this happening? When is it happening?
Okay, so this is happening on the 8th of August at Papaye Recreational Village in the Eastern region. Yes.
Eastern region?
Yes.
When you say Eastern region, it sounds
Aburi.
far away. Come home.
Yes.
Yeah, Eastern region, that is Aburi. Yeah. To be precise, how much, who can come, who can't come, what time is this starting? Give me all the details.
It's open to the general public. We want everybody who wants a day where they can come back relaxed to come along. If you've been burnt out at work, stressed out, or you just need to pamper yourself, we've put together a package where you can do it all in one day. So we're going to have aerobics, relaxation, networking, community, and you're going to also have health checks, fun games. It's literally a vacation, but in one day. And we have a package for children and adults.
Okay. Yes, so for adults, it's 640 cedis.
Okay.
And then for children, it's 420 cedis. But for you to book your slot, you can deposit 200 cedis to book your slot.
Yes, just
deposit
200.
Just 200 cedis.
Yeah.
Yes, but then you have to pay the full amount of 640 cedis for adults and 420 cedis for
children.
Yes, so you're saying it's a vacation, but in one. And I want to say that, but in 1 day small because
one more day.
Because you have to come back to work on Monday. So it's like...
You have to remind us.
So it's like, okay, you go to work Monday to Friday. Let's take you out of town.
Okay.
De-stress. Bring some relaxation into your life.
Yes, relax.
Stretch. Eat good food.
So aside the things you've mentioned, are we seeing or are we expecting anyone that you think that this one will be a person of interest to the public? Maybe you have this musician joining you or this actress joining you to make or maybe this wellness personnel
So for during the event, we have someone coming from Go Hard Hikers.
Okay.
They'll be there to lead the aerobic and stretching exercises. Then we have someone coming from Gut Care, Dr. Baini. So he will come and give us a health talk on how to keep, our guts healthy. Because you attest to the fact that, all illnesses that come from our system come from the gut. So if you are able to, keep the gut clean, you live a healthy life. So Dr. Baini will come as well. Then we have someone coming, Dr. Elvis as well. He's going to talk about mental resilience, how to have a mental resilience to combat this stress that we have in our working space. So we have a lot of fun activities for everyone. So we invite everybody, health enthusiasts, professionals, students, everyone is welcome to come on that day.
Everyone is welcome to the Health and Wellness Fun Day happening on the 8th of August 2026 at 8 a.m. So is there going to be a bus that will move them from Accra Mall, or they can drive there? How, like, please let us know the transportation.
Okay, so
Arrangement.
yes, we've arranged the bus.
Okay.
The meeting point will be Accra Mall.
As usual.
So,
As
yes, as
usual.
usual, because that seems to be the center of town,
Uh-huh,
so everybody can commute there very easily. So we will meet there by 8 o'clock. We should all be there.
Okay.
So latest by 8:30, we move from Accra Mall.
No
straight
Ghana man
to-
time or Ghana man time.
No Ghana man
No
time.
Ghana man time. Yes, straight to the Papaye Recreational Village. Aburi.
Okay, so like they said, 8th of August 2026, the bus is going to be at Accra Mall at 8 p.m. They leave at exactly 8:30. I'm saying they like I'll not be there. We leave at exactly 8:30, and we are going to the Papaye Recreational Village at Aburi, Eastern Region.
Yes.
Right now, Aburi is part of Accra because we go and come like. And for the rate is 640 cedis for adults, 420 cedis for children. But to secure your slot, all you have to do is deposit or make a deposit of 200 cedis. Guess what? As usual, you can get to make your deposit, pay for your slots, and everything included at MX24.events. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platforms, don't forget to send us a WhatsApp message on number 059 888 9441. 059 888 9441. Visit MX24.events to grab your tickets to any event happening around you. Follow us on MX24 Events Guide across all social media platforms. I was talking health and wellness with Auntie Mavis and Miss Poby. Kubi. Hey, I beg your pardon. My name is Afinuna, and I'll see you at your next event.